Here's the structure of our song. I'll first cover the chord pattern that is played in the intro, verse 1 and 2, the choruses, and the ending. The song is played in the key of G major with one sharp, F sharp. The first chord is a G major 9. On the left hand you have G, on the right hand you have B, D, F sharp, A, or sometimes I play it as A, B, D, and F sharp. The second chord is an A minor 6. On the left you have F sharp, on the right you have A, C, and E. The third chord is a B7. On the left you have B octaves, on the right you have A, D sharp, and F sharp. The next chord is an E minor 7. On the left you have E octaves, on the right you have G, B, D, and G. Next we have D minor 7. On the left you have D octaves, on the right you have F, A, C, and F. The next chord is an F/G, which is basically an F major with a G bass. The next chord is a C major 9. On the left you have C octaves, on the right you have D, E, G, and B. The next chord is a B minor 7. On the left you have your B octaves, or you could add an F sharp. On the right is B, D, F sharp, and A. Sometimes I just do D, F sharp, and A. The next chord is an E minor 7. On the left you have your E octaves, on the right you have D, G, and B. The next chord is A minor 7. On the left you have your A octaves, on the right you have your C, E, G, and C. The next chord is a C/D, which is basically a C major with a D bass. Now let's review the chord progression again. G major 9, A minor 6, B7, E minor 7, D minor 7, F/G, C major 9, B minor 7, E minor 7, A minor 7, C/D. Now we're going to simulate the style that is normally achieved by an acoustic guitar. We're going to do this by focusing on the rhythm of how this is played. So we'll play this again, except this time a little bit faster. This chord pattern is played in all the courses: the intro, verse 1, first half of verse 2, and the ending. Now we'll cover the second half of verse 2, which uses different chord patterns. The first chord is C major 9. On the left you have your C, on the right you have your D, E, G, B. The second chord is a B minor 7. On the left you have your B, F sharp, and B. On your right you have D, F sharp, and A. The next chord is E minor 7. On the left you have your E, on your right you have your D, G, B. The next chord is an E minor 6. On the left you have your C sharp, on the right you have your E, G, B, E. So again, we have C major 9, B minor 7, E minor 7, and E minor 6. From the chords E minor 7 to E minor 6 on my left hand, I like to play the notes B, C, and C sharp. While I play C sharp, I finish with the E minor 6. From here, the rest of the chord pattern is the same as the second half of the previous chord pattern we played. Now we'll cover the chord pattern for the bridge. The first chord is F major 7. On the left you have F, on the right you have A, C, and E. Next you have your G major. Any inversion works. Next you have your C major 7. On the left you have your C octaves, on the right you have your G, B, and E. Repeat these chords again. F major 7, G major, C major 7, C major 7 with the B bass, A minor 7. On the left you have your A, on the right you have your A, C, E, and G. The last chord is your B major. On the left you have your B, on the right you have your B, D sharp, and F sharp. Next you have your E minor 7. On your left you have your E octaves, on your right you have your D, G, and B. Next you have your E minor 6. On the left you have your C sharp, on the right you have E, G, B, and E. So let's try that again. finally end with an A minor 7 and a C/D. To see how the entire piece is played, click on my next video.